This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled fruits. First, select firm, ripe fruits such as peaches, pears, or grapes. Wash them well and prepare them by peeling or slicing as needed. Next, you'll create a flavorful brine using vinegar, water, sugar, and your favorite spices. Remember to sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly. This is a crucial step for safe preservation. Now, let's craft that delicious brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt until dissolved. For extra flavor, add whole spices like 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 whole cloves, or 2 star anise pods. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes to infuse the flavors. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the fruit. Carefully place your prepared fruit tightly into the sterilized jars. Pour the hot brine over the fruit, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean, then center new lids on top and secure them with rings, tightening only to finger tight. For safe storage, process your sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a towel for 12 to 24 hours. Check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your delicious pickled fruits in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. Enjoy them as a delightful snack or a unique garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.